Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can like on a field app. So by liking on field app you are indicating that you want to be mutuals with someone. So to do so you need to first of all tap open your field app. So once your field app gets opened up, you will end up in its homepage where you can explore different kind of people. So once your field app gets fully loaded, you will have options to like them or start a conversation with them. So to like a person, you need to simply press on the love heart icon which is on the profile of an individual. So once you tap on the love heart sign, you can like, and if the like has been mutual, then you two can connect with each other. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.